Hey everybody, and welcome to the long-awaited but never asked for house tour. Seems to be a bit of a trend on YouTube at the moment, so I thought, screw it, why don't I do one for a bit of a laugh. My house is far more opulent and luxurious than any of the other YouTubers because I'm just worth so much more than they are. So without further ado, let's check out my place. So currently I'm sitting in the most important part of the house, which is my recording area. So my desk is there, you've got my two screens, both of them showing the lovely Denise Milani. Microphones there. Window, camera, ring light. There's a reflector there if I need to block out the light from the window, because sometimes it does get kind of crazy bright in here. But as you can see, pretty spectacular setup, and then I've got my acoustic panels dotted about the place to allow me to be able to record without too much of an echo, although you wouldn't know it at the moment. So let's move on to the next most important part of the house. So here we are in the next most important area of the house, the area that's got my 3D printer in it, which is literally spitting distance from my recording area. As you can see, 3D printer, recording area, 3D printer, recording area. Perfect area for printing things in 3D. As you can see, it's mounted on a table that was obviously made specifically for that purpose. It's a perfect fit, I think you'll agree. And then there's my printer and my hole punch and my Oculus VR headset. So the next most important area in the house we're going to be visiting in but a second. So as you can see, my house is luxurious. That's my kitchen. Don't worry about the recyclables on the floor there. I collect them in that plastic tub and then I take them out when it's full, so that's due for an empty. As you can see, I've got a shit ton of storage space over there, hence why the counters are completely clear and there's no clutter there whatsoever. Got my refrigerator, and then over there is my TV and my rowing machine. And that's basically it. As you can see, absolutely amazing, luxurious apartment. I've got my bedroom on the other side of that wall, my bathroom on the other side of that one. So bathroom, it's a shower room. Don't need any more than that. Well, I've got a toilet so I can poo, but other than that, who needs anything else? Bedroom's got a bed in it. That's all you need to know about that one. Anyway, guys, I hope you found that informative and exciting. Hopefully I don't get big and famous enough that PewDiePie tears this one apart. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys. Until then, you take damn good care of yourselves, alright? Bye bye.